Here's a quick video on setup and use of your Winlock foam-to-foam adhesive applicator gun. Your adhesive comes in an aerosol can with a threaded top. Simply thread it onto the applicator gun, get it good and tight. You want to keep the can in the vertical position when you're using it. You want to leave the can on the gun until the can is empty. Do not remove it at the end of the day. That's not necessary. The gun's ready to use the next morning. You have this adjustment on the back. Adjust your flow. Your desired bead is roughly that size. You don't want to see any glue coming out of the joints. The glue is just to hold the blocks together. Whenever your can is empty, you remove it from the gun. Take the adhesive cleaner, spray the little bit of foam off. Screw the cleaner onto the gun. Run the remaining glue out until you get clear cleaner coming out. Once you have cleaner coming out of the gun and no more glue, remove the cleaner can from your application gun. You're ready to put on a new can and continue to work. Follow these steps and your guns will last you throughout the project trouble-free.